I want to tell you about the unique pressure return system that's built into this grease gun. Now, for anyone who's ever been greasing and hits a clogged grease fitting, you know how frustrating it can be where either the grease is going to leak out of an old traditional style coupler, or maybe if you are using the lock and lube coupler, you get a bunch of back pressure built in the hose, and then you've got to push down really hard on the thumb lever to get it to release. This system is going to eliminate all of that. Let me show you how it works. Now watch this silver cap on the top of the grease gun here. I'll pull the thumb lever all the way out for sort of our normal pumping action, and then from here I can extend it a little bit further, and you see how that pops up? What's happening there is that it's allowing all of the back pressure built up in the system to drain right back into your grease cartridge. So that means no blow-off valves, no mess, and an easy release from grease fittings that are totally clogged. Now, you can also clip the grease coupler here to store it. So what is going to happen is you'll be on a fitting that's clogged, you pull this up to release the fitting, and now your handle is out extended. That's no problem at all. All you do is clip the grease coupler onto that fitting, push it down, and that's going to push the grease right back into that cartridge. Again, no mess, no wasted grease, and a nice, easy way to disconnect from a clogged fitting. Today we're showing off the pressure return system built into our Lock and Lube Professional lever grip grease gun. I'm going to build as much pressure as I can, and this gauge will show you where we get. The gun is rated to 10,000 PSI, but my arms are not, so I've never been able to build that much pressure myself. But we'll get it up as high as I can. It's about 6,000 PSI. And now watch the gauge here as I extend the arm. So I'm going to pull the arm on the grease gun out, and then when I pull it all the way, you'll see that gauge drop right down to 0. What's happened here is all the pressure from this system has drained right back into the tube. So when I disconnect, you don't waste any grease. You clip the coupler right onto the grease gun there, onto our Zerk fitting, and that accepts grease as well. So when you close the lever down, you've just disconnected from the fitting at 6,000 PSI and gone away without losing a drop of grease and having an easy disconnect from that fitting.